Hey, it's Al. I wanted to do a quick update on what's going on here. We hit a snag, as typical for remodels. We got sheetrock just waiting here. We had to do a sewer line test, which means we needed to fill up our sewer lines, our toilet lines, and all those drains, and see if they leaked or not. The city wanted us to do that before we could put sheetrock on the walls. So we knew we weren't going to pass, so we replaced all the sewer lines, which is probably the right thing to do anyway, and passed that test. So now we can button up things and get back on with it. But yeah, things happen. I had a contingency plan going, some things, but now it's time to manage the project and make sure we get momentum back up and going, and tune everyone back up, make sure it keeps moving along. So that is the update. There's really nothing beautiful to show you, no beautiful progress to show you, but it's coming soon, coming quick. Keep cheering me on. Thank you.